Hello, everyone. Good
Hi,
morning.
morning.
So today Atira is not available. So dia dah start cuti, ngelat dia tu. Alright. So then tomorrow we will have a holiday. So we change the date lah. We start earlier today for new product. Alright. So
Yes.
let's get started. I will pass to Hussein. Alright.
Hi everyone. So today we are here again to review to see our new product. So the first product today we are looking at is the simple melody generator UM66T19L. Uh, Actually, this is a melody generator transistor actually. So as you can see here, uh, it's an on-chip program device designed for doorbells, telephones, and you can use it for toy applications. Okay, it's very brief. So let me share this device with you. Okay, so let me zoom. The one we have is the
Okay.
is
Alright.
okay. Now I think it's a bit visible. Or not visible. It's
You can
okay.
push. Yeah. Okay. This one okay.
Okay. So you can see here is 660 I19K LK.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
So actually you can see the data sheet also. Let me share with you. So the one we have 9L actually just now. So it's like for Alice.
The
So
song is included. The song is fixed, right? So for this chip, the song is for I don't know how to spell it, but
I think
actually
for
the correct word is F something U double dot. This one this song is from the Beethoven. Okay.
okay. So we can demonstrate the sound
For
for you
Alice.
for
Yeah.
Alice. So let me turn on.
Oh,
Maybe.
this is a very familiar melody.
I think last time we used to have in like card raya or something, but now it's no more.
Yeah.
Like in the gift cards or something, we used to have this.
So the skit is very simple. Just provide
The circuit is very simple. You just need a battery, a switch, and a buzzer, and few
oh,
jumper wires.
okay. So the voltage range is from what to what?
The voltage range is from now currently I'm using like 3 volt actually. So the voltage should be around 3 to 5 should be fine. Let me check. The data sheet
It's
here.
stated it's stated on the product page. You can check the product page.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's stated the operating
Uh,
voltage is 1.3 to 3.3 volt.
okay.
So, okay, let me off the sound. Okay, that's about the first product. Okay, nothing much.
Maybe you can share the schematic first. How the data
Oh,
sheet,
okay.
the circuit,
Uh,
how to operate the.
okay, for the circuit, actually in the datasheet it is given here. So the one I did was the first one. Maybe I
Oh,
can zoom a bit.
very straightforward lah.
It's very straightforward.
Okay.
So just connect the switch, the ground, the buzzer, and you give the supply. Then that's it. You can get the sound running already.
Okay.
Okay.
So even I think we can implement it in using microcontroller lah. If we provide
Yes,
the
yes.
high signal, it will play the buzzer, right?
Buzzer, yes. You can still
Okay.
control through that.
Alright. Interesting. So that's the first product.
So that's the first product, and it's quite cheap also. It's like just RM1. So
Mhm.
you can try to get, and you can also get all the other components to get the music melody generator running.
Okay.
Okay. So we have 17 in stock, so you can grab it. So next, let's move on to the next product. For the next product, we have the It's a ECG Measurement Kit. It's from Key Studio. And okay, this is actually for the heart rate monitor, front end, and also for the vital sign. And it's based on the AD8232. So basically, this is more like I think previously we have like something like pulse sensor, right? We carry with us, but this one is a ECG, whereby we can install the pad to your body and get the measurement. And this is actually a shield, whereby not a shield, it's a module. Okay, let me share with you. So this is the box actually.
The camera okay. On the screen.
Okay. So this is the box actually. I already opened it. I actually just want to share with you the box. Okay. And here it is mentioned ECG measurement module, Key Studio, 3 electrode pads and 3 pin wire. Alright. Okay. So inside the box, you will get the module itself. Let me open it up for you. So this is the module. Let me zoom it for you. Let me bring it up. Okay. So this is the module. Okay. So basically, we can connect the cables here, and for the pads, it's given here. So you can see here. We have, it comes with 3 pads. And this is like, there's more. Sorry, okay, it is 3. Okay, so basically, once you install, then it's like one-time use only. So you need to peel it off, this, and stick to your body. And also, there's this cable here. This is to connect to the module. It's quite easy to just plug in, and also we can attach the pads, the electrode pads to here, to the pin wire here. So this is a one-time use only. So if you want to use more than once, you need to buy additional pads actually. So for this, I didn't have much demonstration because this one we need to stick to the body itself to get the measurement. And let's see the product page. Okay. So this is the module. It's a AD8232 heart monitor. So it mentioned that we can detect the emotion detection, heart rate detection, tiredness detection, sleep detection. And this is the pad which is given with the kit itself. So it's based on the sticky part is on the silicone. It's made of silicone. And this is the 3.5 mm plug. Okay, and okay, that's about this. Usually, this product is this kit usually useful for usually the medical students and anyone makers who are interested in getting to do more on the medical stuff. I mean, to get the heart rate readings and everything. This is quite interesting.
And then they should have a medical course, right? And then they need to create a makers like project, where you need to have knowledge on the sensors and microcontrollers. So this one is for you, lah. All right.
Yes. This one is for you. I think usually the medical electronics student usually they are more into this actually.
Okay. All right. So you can refer to the resources lah at the bottom.
At the bottom of the page, we have the sample codes, libraries.
Okay, you can go through the resources.
All right. So that's about the.
How much this product?
This product, okay. So this product, the actual price is 40 ringgit, but currently we have the discount, 20% discount, so you can buy it at RM 32 ringgit. So
Okay.
we have only 8 in our stock for now. So grab it while it lasts. And yeah, that's about our second product for today.
Okay.
And we have 6 days more before the offer ends.
All right. Nice. Okay,
Alright.
next.
So next move to our third product.
This one should be over. You have, right? No, eh? Oh, over sibuk.
No, I don't have here.
Okay. It's okay. All right, proceed, Hussein.
Okay, so this is our third product, which is a STEM electronic kit with 690 experiments. So it's quite huge, 690 experiments. It comes with the English manual. And basically, this is designed for, especially for, is a children friendly, and it's suitable for children from age 8 and above. So I believe this kit is more to, you need to not to worry much on how you are interfacing. So it is given, the kit looks very, how to say, it's like more like for kids friendly. I mean, you don't have to have like prior knowledge on electronics, how you're doing the wiring, but it's like more to plug in. It's like, I think it's magnetic. It's a snap on. Okay, so that's the word, snap on. So it's like more to snap on.
Oh, that one is very interesting.
Yeah, snap on is like, you know, the old button, the close button.
Close button.
Yeah, that is actually the close button. So that will hold and also conduct electric lah.
Okay.
And they are using battery only. I think it's 4 or 2 AA battery. 2 AA battery. So it's very simple lah, very simple. And it comes with a manual, a color printed manual. So if you look at the manual, I think there's two kits, right? Yeah, there's 2 kits. I think one of the pictures show the manual, part of the manual.
Okay. Let me see if I can open the menu. It's good. So this is the manual actually.
Yeah, good, nice. I think this is part of, I'm not sure whether it's full manual.
And so they show all the components.
Yeah.
Comes.
Wow, they have a lot of projects.
Yeah, a lot of projects. So the project come with the circuit, simple circuit lah, of course. And of course some explanation. So you can do it, and it's actually quite powerful. Silent, police silent, ambulance silent. I remember I play with FM radio receiver. So that is kind of fun. But I'm not sure which kit, because we have 2 kits. So this is one of the kits.
Okay. It's quite a lot. I mean, I think the experiment is going on until what? I think
600 something. This is 600 something.
Yeah, 698.
Yeah. So that's the code also lah, 698. You go down a bit, Hussein. You go down a bit.
A bit, okay. Also, this
look
is
at the diagram. I think look at some of the diagram.
Oh, okay.
So this is the diagram. You know, it's very clear.
Oh, very. I think this is really useful for the kids. I mean, they don't need to do this. Follow the diagram and then they can make up the circuits easily.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah. So all the diagrams are given here.
Yep.
Right. So I think that's about the second. Okay, let's see what else about this product. Okay, currently the product actual price is 248 ringgit, and we have a 20% discount as well for this product, and you can get it around at RM 198 and 40 cents. So we have time in our stock now.
Before we proceed to the next product, we have a question here. What protocol use SQC or serial? This one is referred to the
previous one,
ECG.
I think.
The previous one.
Previous ECG. So actually, you can refer to the product page. It's stated the output is analog. Okay, analog. So for more details, you can just use the library or sample code lah. So that one is much easier. And then another question from Gracia: where to buy them? Can you post a link in the description where to buy? Yes, we have include the link in the product in the YouTube description. Okay, you can refer that there. All right, that's all.
Okay. So,
Next.
so maybe let's move to the next product. Okay, so this is our fourth product.
Wow,
This
this one is
is more
1,000 experiments.
1,600.
Wow.
It's a lot.
Okay.
So this is a STEM electronic kit with 1,366 experiments. So it's quite a lot of experiments to do. And this is more likely the previous one, the one we showed in the third product. Except this one has more than almost double the number of experiments you can do with this kit actually. And this comes with the manual as well. The manuals, you can do the experiments. And yeah, now this is the one, like I think Albert mentioned just now, the FM radio. This kit has you can do the FM radio kind of thing, and quite a lot of
This
things
one
you can do.
is more advanced or
More advanced. I think the basic part is, I think both have the basic part, but this one over 1,000 something experiment have more parts. More parts. For example, the radio doesn't, the radio controller or receiver is not in the 698 kit.
698 kit.
And then we highlight the English manual because I believe most in the market is in Mandarin, right?
Yep. Most of the market is Mandarin. Yep.
So we highlight the English manual, so
yep.
Anyone can refer it. All right.
Yes. Right. Okay, so I think this is the good time we are introducing this product since like school holidays. I'm not sure school holidays or but during the break or what, the parents can like encourage their kids to use this kit. I mean, to fill up their times with like some useful learning electronic kits. And let's move on to our fifth product. Okay, the price for this product is the actual price is 348 ringgit, and currently we have 20% off as well for this product, and you can grab this at 278 ringgit and 40 cents, and we have 10 in our stocks, and the offer will end in 7 days. So
1,000 experiments.
Yeah, 1,000 experiments.
All right.
Right. So next, move on to our fifth product for today. Okay. So this is the Note MCU 32S Wi-Fi Bluetooth BLE IoT development board. And okay, this is the Note MCU board. Okay, I believe this is the upgraded version from the one we have previously. I believe the normal Note MCU 32. And okay, let's see. It's the Note MCU 32S. Okay, this is basically
this one is like an alternative to the Note MCU ESP32 because seems like the stock for Note MCU is still out of stock for now. So you can consider this one is as alternative because the module is still the same ESP32, right? Or this one is 32S.
It's 32S. Slightly.
The main module is still same.
32. Okay.
ESP32.
Okay.
Right.
Right. Then, so basically, the pinout is like most likely similar to since it's using the Note MCU 32 as well. And other than that, okay, for resources, you can always refer at the bottom page, at the product page, for the hardware resource, the Note MCU firmware, and Arduino ESP32.
I think the S refer to 5G.
5G. Okay.
If I'm not mistaken, yeah. I think the S refer to 5G. 5G. Let me just verify. No, it doesn't state here.
No, yeah. Still 2.4.
Yep. Then in that case, is the same as the ESP32 It's still 2.4.
So
Just the onboard USB to UART converter is using the CH340 compared to the not MCU ESP32. That one is using CP2
CP, yeah. CP.
CP something lah, 2 something, right? So
Yep.
okay. So currently the price, I said with discount 20%, the price is 31 ringgit and 20 cents. And we have 19 in stocks. So, and we have 13 days before the offer ends, and we're back to normal price, which is around 39 ringgit. So that's about the fifth product. And next, move on to the next product, which is the Sony Spresense main board.
Oh,
So
Sony.
So this looks like it's a development board, which is based
this
on
one,
Sony.
I think a few customers actually request us to take. It's more to machine learning. This one, AI machine learning. It's very powerful. This one, and you can combine. I think it is last time you did the H impulse with the Arduino BLE, right?
Yeah.
This one also they have the sample code for voice
Oh.
recognition, things like that. Yeah, machine learning.
So this one is not a computer, right? This one is
No, the computer, I think.
It's more to the controller lah.
Yep.
Okay. Need to study more lah about this.
So, okay, these are some of the features and specification of the board. And this has the like Arduino compatible shield also. Like I think most of the development boards they do come with this one, the Arduino shield compatible pinouts. And okay, so these are the description of the board basically. So you have the onboard GNS antenna. So as I mentioned just now, the Arduino compatible pins, and what you have the connector for the camera.
Yep.
You can search the what name is this board? You can search for like a Sony H impulse. So actually, there are documentation for that lah. You can use the this board with H impulse. So, but I'm not sure the program is using the standard C or using Arduino. Okay, you can go through the document. Okay.
Documentation. Yep.
Yeah. All right.
But the pins operate quite low at 1.8 volt.
But I think that is CPU lah.
Oh, CPU.
That's
okay.
a CPU, yeah.
CPU.
The I/O should be 3.3 lah. But we can verify that. Verify that before
even you can program this board using CircuitPython now. Okay, so CircuitPython also support this board. Right, so yeah, you can try.
Okay. So for
we cannot question that. Wait, this is very good. Yeah.
What?
How different is just another in terms of imaging computing? Actually, we are still don't have experience much lah on this product. We just carry in. If we have any experience, we will share later. Okay, same. Actually, this one is not new lah. It's not new product lah.
It's not new.
I think a few years ago already launched lah. Perhaps Python. Yes, you can try to program using CircuitPython on this board. Okay.
So for additional resources, okay, you have at the bottom of the product page, you have like if you want to know about the sample projects, the documentation. Also, you can use Arduino as well, I believe. So we have to get started with Spresense Arduino IDE, and also I'm not sure I'm pronouncing correct on the Spresense.
Spresense.
Spresense. SDK development for Spresense as well. Right. So that's about the this product, and the actual price is 330. We have 15% discount for this product. That will give you RM 280 ringgit 50 cents, and the offer ends in 7 days, and we have 5 in stock. So grab it while you can. So the next product we'll look into is the
Expansion board.
extension board. So this is, I think, Oba want to say.
No, extension board for that
Okay.
just now for the
Alright.
main board.
Main board. So this is you can install the board on top of here actually. So
So this one is follow the Arduino Uno footprint lah. You can see the connector at the edge. So it's follow the standard Uno form factor.
yeah, it's following the pinouts. And let's see. I think like you just mentioned just now, like for this also has support the TensorFlow as well. I mean, since it's like AI board, so
Yeah.
they have the logo here. And this board for this, okay. So this is the basic description. So usually this is the board. I think the previous one, which is the actual board. So it's installed on top of the extension board. So here you get additional like pinouts like headphone connector, the SD card, and also extension USB on top of main USB. And other than that,
Even
this is
even the extension, the PCB is quite like a complicated lah. The routing. Right. Okay. Just this is original from Sony, Sony.
Oh, I think this is the clearer picture. So it's made in Japan.
Okay.
Alright. So for the additional resources, you can always view at the bottom of the page here. So you can get the schematic and also how to get started with Arduino IDE as well. And okay, the price for this product is, the actual price is 195 ringgit. Currently, we have 8% discount for this product. So you can get this at RM 117 ringgit and 50 cents. So we don't have much for now with 2 and with the offer price, and the offer will end in 7 days. So you can grab it since we don't have much. So try to grab it before it went out of stock. And let's move to the next product. So this is the next product, which is a Sony Spresense camera board. So actually this is the additional board for the previous board, the main board which we have seen just now. It's a camera, and let's see this is the device offering blah, blah, creators. Okay. So this is the camera. Sony Spresense board has a USB micro connector that communicates with external computer. Okay, this means right. Okay. So this is the camera. So the camera is a Sony ISX012, has effective pixel count of 5.11 megapixel, and onboard encoder to capture JPEG, Y/C and RGB format pictures.
Yes. So hopefully the quality is good lah, because Sony is very popular with the camera, right?
Camera, yes.
Tip top lah. Tip top.
So the camera is 5 megapixels. Okay, still recording pixel. So 5 megapixels. And then ISO, you can check the ISO 40 to 800.
800.
Okay.
They have like few additional features. I'm not sure like for other camera out there for development boards, but this one like they have like scene selection, like you have the preset scene and you can just, I think it's been the program actually, like 12 preset scene selection, and exposure control, photometry. I think more is there's more like maybe the basic function or a bit more on the camera functions actually, not just a camera but with some additional features.
And if you guys know, the HQ camera and most of the camera for Raspberry Pi is actually using Sony image sensor. Yeah, it's actually from Sony.
Okay.
And Raspberry Pi board is manufactured in Sony manufacturing
Factory,
firm.
manufacturing.
Yeah, manufacturing also.
Yeah. So this one will answer this one. This one is not question lah. But the Raspberry Pi board also manufactured by Sony.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see, you can just browse through later to see what are the additional functions or features of this camera. And okay, that's about it. So at the bottom, as usual, there's resources. You can check out to know more about the camera. And the current price for this camera is 178 ringgit 50 cents after a discount of 15%. And the offer will end in 7 days, and we have 5 in stock. So try to grab it. And let's move on to the next product, which is the LCD resin magnetic flexible steel plate for LD002H. This is for the 3D printer, Creality resin 3D printer of the model LD002H.
So this one is for resin.
Resin. Yes.
Oh, I still don't have a resin. I need to buy one.
We should grab one because I think resin printer, the quality is, I mean,
very good.
The very detailed. I think it's you can like very, the details are to the very minute now.
The resolution is very fine.
Very fine.
But the size is for now is still small the size of the build, right?
The size is small, kind of small. But I'm not sure. I mean, personally, I also don't have experience using resin, but not sure how to. I mean, is it like really difficult to handle the resin itself? I mean, after using and reusing it, because the normal 3D printer, the one we use, the filaments is easy.
The filament is dry. The resin it involves a liquid. So I also asking the same question lah. Maybe we can ask Adrian. Adrian have experience with resin.
Oh, okay. We should bring Adrian next time for the 3D printer. So this is This plate is a flexible stainless spring steel build plates for resin 3D printer, and it's for specifically for LD002H model. And I think this actually is.
What is the price for the printer Creality? That one can click.
I think we have offer currently.
Can click on the link.
Oh, sorry.
Click on the link.
This picture.
Description. No. The description. The blue one.
The top one.
Top.
Sorry, I'm missing. Oh, okay. Sorry.
This one.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, this is the price. All right. Yeah. It's still good for resin.
Oh, very good.
Very good.
Very good.
I think
just how to maintain because it's involved the liquid, right? There's some
you need to keep the liquid actually. Yeah, you need to keep it. After you use, you need to keep it.
Means after print it, after we produce a product, then just
you pour back to the container because it's UV sensitive Why become the structure or the 3D printer parts? Because the LCD actually expose the UV to that liquid, then the liquid harden, it become hard, then stick together. So that's how the this printer works UV resin work. So you need to keep the resin after you use, then you still have leftover of the liquid, right?
Yeah.
You need to keep it,
Yeah.
then don't expose to UV light, else it will become hardened.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
So like it's like reusable. Like every time after we finish the remaining, we can just put it back, and when we want to use it, we
pour it back.
can reuse it.
Pour it back. But it's kind of busuk sikit lah.
Oh, okay.
Smelly lah, smelly.
Smelly and odor are the odor. So that's why they say the handling of the resin printer is a bit troublesome.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, okay. So, but I think
because normally sometimes we print and then we just biar after finish print. So this one cannot lah. Need to.
This one okay lah, because if you are inside room, there's no UV light, right? And there shouldn't be UV light. There shouldn't be UV light. Else there's UV light, then all your liquid harden already.
Harden.
Oh, okay.
Harden already.
Okay.
Okay. So for the printer, so actually it's not in our new product, but we have offer, so you can try to grab it. We have 26% off for this printer. So you can get this quite. I would say it's cheap if you're comparing to the outside in the market lah, actually. So this is quite cheap for this printer. So let's see. Let's go back to the product. Okay. So this is the magnetic sheet. Actually, it's mentioned here how you can install the magnetic sheet to the printer as well. The process are mentioned clearly here. So that's the product actually. Okay, so the actual price for this product is 69 ringgit and 80 cents, but we have offered of 20% for this product as well, and you can get it at 55 ringgit and 80 cents. And the offer ends in 11 days more, so you can grab it while we have it in our stock. So let's move to the next product. Okay, this is the hot product. Everyone's asking.
Hot, but don't scold us. Everyone is scolding us,
Like in the chat.
Yeah, not in the chat. They are questioning why it take 2 months after the launch.
You already soldered the header pin?
Yeah, I soldered the header pin, the color coded header pin.
Very nice.
Yeah, I want to test a few accessory that last time original 01 cannot do. For example, Octopi, let's say Octopi, Retro game. Retro game is okay lah, but it's a bit slow lah, right? For the original Pi, because it's single core only. So I'm trying that lah. So that's why I need the header pin.
This one is really, we don't have a stock. Okay.
No, we have two. One is with Idris, another one is with me. Every time that you see, you guys see, every time you guys see is these two, and the only two. So it's not that we hold the stock, no point we hold the stock, right?
Yeah. For now, we will still waiting the certification.
Certification
for Malaysia.
Yeah. And actually, there is a post you go out a bit up. There's a post. This is the post by Eben actually. So we have actually highlighted it for the time being. It's actually in UK, Europe, US, Canada, and Hong Kong have the certification here. And of course, the stock is ready. Just we don't have the certification because of the wireless. So we can't really get it in. And it's not Malaysia only. So it's not Malaysia only.
Yes.
So only a few countries actually they got it. In most of the rest of the world still waiting.
Oh, Jean is asking. Jean know better than us, I think. normally, this is type approval, because it's wireless. For example, our phone, those things that involve wireless phone. Normally, you take 1 to 2 months. That's why they also say 2 months. The 2 months time is actually from Raspberry Pi Foundation. It's not from Cytron.
Right.
Okay.
So, but just to say lah, I mean, in the chat also people are like have started to ask lah, like when we are gonna restock, when it's
Everyone
gonna
is asking
available.
Everyone is asking.
Everyone is asking. We also asking actually. We are sharing. Idris have one, I have one. Then both of us have solder the header pin.
The pin.
So we are also sharing among project testing things like that. Yeah.
So that so this is the product actually. So you can see like there are upgrades. What are the upgrades here, and all or the specification of the new Raspberry Pi 02W. So it's like it has quad core 64-bit Cortex A53 with 1 gigahertz and video core. It's a 512 megabyte DDR2 RAM. Just the Bluetooth. So it comes with the Bluetooth 4.2 and also BLE and Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz. Right. So okay. So these are the description of the board actually. The description of the board. You can see here. Okay. They feel like the highlighted in the yellow is the upgrades actually. So you can see like improved PCB antenna design, RP3AO-AUSIP BCM. I think this is upgraded as well. 512 DDR2 RAM and quad core 64 as previously I have said just now. And this is the comparison actually between the previous one and also the new one. The previous, the Raspberry Pi 0W, and this one is the 2W. You can see the difference here. It's highlighted, basically it's highlighted in the blue color to see the difference. It's not much when the difference, but the features they added is like crucial on the crucial part, such as the core architecture is changed. Previously it was single core, now it's quad core. And also the system on chip is different. Previously
the
it was
most upgrade
Broadcom
is on the chip lah. The most upgrade.
on the chip.
Yeah.
And also previously it was Bluetooth 4.1, now it's 4.2, and also it has an improved PCB antenna. And another they have some of the comparison also. We can try to go through here. Okay. So also here I mentioned about the backward compatibility. So in case like if you have a project like which has been using the previous Pi 0, and how if you want to change it to the new 02, how it will affect. So you can just go through here, and these are the specification and features and spec of the Raspberry Pi 0, the new Raspberry Pi 0, and it's okay. So that's about accessories and all the other list. Okay, here is the resources. So you can just browse through here on the product page and see to know more about the product or other how the applications of using this board. You can always visit here. And currently, since we don't have, you're still waiting for the stock actually.
Yeah.
What I would suggest is that you always register with us and click the notify me button. So that will give you notification once the product is restocked, because it's gonna I believe it's gonna sell like hot from oven. So you would better to register and click the notify me button, just that you don't miss your chance to grabbing this board.
Okay, they have a question here. Do Pi 02W support VS remote? VS should be Visual Studio remote, because to my understanding Pi 0 didn't. Yes, I have tried and it support. I test it using VS Code. Then
VS
remote
Code,
using SSH, and it support.
Yeah.
We can try.
Yep.
This one can use
5
for
kpm. Yes,
5
you can use.
kpm.
Yep. You can use also 5
Yes.
kpm.
All right. So I have a question. Either the Pi 0 will discontinue or
No, the Pi 0, according to the post, one of the Hussein, you can click the just now the block. You just click the picture that you just click it. Go down to the bottom FAQ. So Idris' question is one of the FAQ question. A bit go up a bit.
up
Up a bit, okay.
before the comment. All right.
Before
Oh,
are you discontinue 0 and 0
okay.
W? It will actually continue until I think there's a date, right? There should be
2022.
no 2022 is resolve the IC shortage. There is actually a date they have commit. I think it's 2025 or
41.
10.
Oh, this one is RP3A0.
Yeah. I think it's 2025 or 2026. The 0 will stay in stock. Yep.
Oh, this one. Oh, sorry. 02W. Okay.
Yep.
Now, the bottom here mentioned, but this one is for 02W 2028.
Yeah, this is 28 lah. Yep.
This one is feedback from our customer. Product restock notified at night. When I saw the morning email, then it's sold out. This one, maybe you can feedback to the team.
The team because normally it's not only at night. We normally our system synchronization of our system and inventory is normally in the evening. Okay, so the email will send out in the evening, so you might check, you check your email at morning, right?
Later you can take alert lah, right?
Yeah.
Take alert.
We will notify
check
that
your email, evening and night. Check your email lah.
Next time we do a notify using SMS or WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Telegram, maybe Telegram.
Telegram bot.
Telegram.
Telegram bot. Who joined the group, then we will notify them. Another IoT project. Yep.
All right.
Right. Okay. The price, since the actual price will be 74 ringgit and 50 cents, and currently for the new product we have 7% discount for this product, so it will be 69 ringgit. So there's no time limit here. So since we don't have it in stock yet, so just be alert once we restock and try to grab this product. Okay, so next.
Once we have but we cannot commit anything yet. Once we have a more confirmed date of certification approval within Malaysia, because then we will open for pre-order, so that everyone can grab it earlier, pre-order. Again, pre-order is very hot also, and pre-order is come with quantity limit. It's not that pre-order doesn't have limit. We still limit it. If you read the blog by Eben, CEO of Raspberry Pi Trading, they have actually announced this year they have actually produced 200,000 or 200,050 unit only. 200,050 unit. 250,000 units, sorry. So if you look at the world, it's not many. If you distribute among the world, So my advice, although the notify me might come at night, then still go and notify. Click the notify. Okay.
Okay. So next, move to the next product.
This one is the last product, right?
No, this is the last product.
This one still not in stock also. This one launched together with the 02W. It's another official PSU, power supply unit from Raspberry Pi. So it's meant to power the Pi 0, all series of Pi 0s, because it uses microB, right? Then the older board Pi B, 3B, 3B plus, 3A plus, or any. Actually, you can power any board that use microB lah. For example, just now the Node MCU also, you can use it to power. Yep. And this is officially from Raspberry Pi. Yep.
So in the futures, you can see what are the spec of this power supply.
Yep.
And so
talking about power supply, I have something to share lah. I mean, last time a lot of people use what we call the charger from phone charger. Right, because you have USB, then older Android phone use microB.
Yeah.
But there is different, there's different between a power supply and a charger. So even a charger with 3 amp might have problem for Raspberry Pi. I don't think for Pi 0 have problem or Pi 02, but for 3B, 3B plus, you might have problem because charger don't need to give power as fast as a power supply. A power supply must react very fast. For example, let's say the Raspberry Pi doing something or transmit something or use a USB drive, external drive, something like that. You need to give power, very high power in short time. The power supply can do that, but not the charger, because charger is charging your phone battery ma. Let's say your phone battery, there must be some power, and if even the charger doesn't give you that current in time, there's no problem. But for Raspberry Pi, it will reset already. The voltage will drop, then you reset. So that's why some of the case they use phone charger. The system reset. Why? Why? So use a good power supply to make sure that.
All right.
Oh, Ziad, Ziad use.
Oh, yeah, this one. Yeah. So phone
So
charger.
if a small project, it doesn't
It's
matter
okay.
lah. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Not every time
actually-
lah. Not every time. Yep.
Okay. We have a question. Thanks for answering my question. I wonder if any one of you tried this before. Coral USB accelerator HTPU. So we have a plan to bring this product?
Yep. It's in the list lah. It's in the list. But we haven't tried. But my guess is because 02W have the same CPU as the architecture, at least architecture as the 3B plus. So as long as that can be used on 3B plus, and you have example of using that with the Coral USB accelerator, then you can try the example.
All right. So, Hussein, you can
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what I think. This is the okay. So for the
last
resources, yeah, this is the last product. And okay, for this product, we don't have any discount for this product actually, but you can get it once it's available. You can get it at RM35 ringgit. And also, usually when the item is out of stock or is coming soon, it's better to click the notify me button. So you can always be notified. Because I personally also do that just say want to get a product, then just click the notify me button. So whenever the item is restocked, definitely you'll get an email. So once you get the email, then you can purchase them.
Okay, this one is advice from the Jane. Not really recommend you running TPU on Pi 3 or 02W because they only have USB 2. Oh,
the speed lah. The speed limited by the speed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still recommended using Pi 4 lah because Pi 4 have a USB 3.
Yep.
Okay. Actually, we have another one product I forgot to include because Atira sent me last minute. Okay, this one actually we have
this one
introduced before.
This one, in stock already.
This one have stock. So
This one stock.
bit hat for Lego education. Do we bring? We still didn't bring the Lego, right? Lego.
Yeah, the Lego you
Spike.
can search. Yeah, the Lego you can search. Still coming soon. Yeah.
Okay.
Still coming
So
soon. Yep.
we have introduced this product before. Just we want to tell you that we have stock now. Okay. So the price 119, and then still have 148 in stock. So please grab it. Okay. This one, for example, you can find the Lego product as well lah. Later we will
Compatible.
also
There's a compatible list, I think, someplace in the product page.
Mhm. Okay.
Spike. They're using
Lego
Lego
Spike.
Spike.
Spike. Yeah. The power supply unit for the power supply unit is coming, but it's not yet arrived lah. But you can still use with the sensors. The PSU is for 8 foot lah, and 8 foot is for moto.
For moto.
Yeah, moto. So if you want to use without the power supply and then you power up Raspberry Pi using the USB-C, right? You can still use it, no problem. Just sensor lah, sensors, not moto.
All right. So that's all. That's all for this week. We will meet again on the next 2 weeks for a new set of new products.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Holiday.
Holiday.
Yeah, happy holiday.
So Atira dah holiday lah.
Dinner holiday.
Alright, so that's all. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.
Thanks
Right,
thanks
very
everyone.
Right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.